What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to react to Fireworks by LABOUM, and let's see how it is.
I like the guitar. Oh wow, I really like their dress. Like it looked really literally like culturistic. It's so acoustic, like the song. Ooh, I like this bass. Oh, it's like it have like an island vibe to it. Damn, she's so pretty. Like it's so simple, like the song. Like it doesn't really, it's not like your typical like K-pop song, where it's like upbeat and happy. This is more like chill and sexy a little bit. I really like their, what is it called? Like their vibe is really cool, like. It's pretty like I said, it's pretty chill, like it's.
Oh, that's it? No, more. Yeah guys, so that's the video. It's just it's pretty simple, like the music is pretty like it's pretty like it's not like a typical K-pop, like cute and like poppy. This is more like kind of like chill and like sexy a little bit. But yeah, it's just I don't know, this is my first time reacting to LABOUM or LABOUM. So I don't know what their typical song is like, I don't know if it's poppy like the song that they create before this, or is this their first debut. So I'm not even sure because I don't know. But yeah, it's just from my first look, like this is like if this is a debut, this is an like kind of like a good route that they take, because like like I feel like a lot of K-pop group, they already take like the cute poppy sound, but yeah, this one is like really this one's really like chill and like kind of islandy vibe, and like but the only thing that's kind of like what is it called, normal. I feel like they have five member in a group, so it's like it's pretty normal. So you know but yeah, I like the music. The music video is pretty like like artistic. uh but yeah, that's my reaction to this music video, guys. Let me know in the comment if you like the music video or you don't like the music video. And yeah, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for me to create more K-pop reaction. And thank you for watching, guys, and have a good day. Peace.